Riverside County has over 10,000 facilities that, like you, handle hazardous materials on site. Ranging from CO2 cylinders for beverages at restaurants, chemicals for manufacturing, storage tanks of fuel, to chemicals used to maintain swimming pools and other recreational activities.
So if your facility handles 55 gallons of a liquid, 500 pounds of a solid, or 200 cubic feet of a compressed gas, you will need to complete a hazardous materials business plan.
This is a plan that helps keep you and your employees safe during your routine chemical use or in the event of an emergency situation. This plan is maintained online through the California Environmental Reporting System, CERS, and must be updated on a yearly basis.
The plan consists of several sections, including basic information such as contact names, facility address, and phone numbers. Also included are a hazardous materials inventory with listed chemical names, information, and locations. Part of the inventory section also requires a site map. This map will have identifying features such as chemical locations, major cross streets, evacuation staging area, and other building floor plan identification. Finally, the plan must have a section for an emergency contingency plan and training documentation.
The inspector will review with you the types of measures that are in place to help prevent the accidental release of a hazardous material and the immediate response to a release.
The plan will need to identify how the hazards will be stopped and removed. The inspector will review spill kit materials and other related safety equipment in place. So if the facility is using hazardous materials storage tanks, these tanks will also be evaluated for procedures to prevent and handle releases.
A major part of the inspection is reviewing this plan online and making sure all sections contain the proper information. Inspectors will approve or request further information as needed.
While the inspection is completed on site, the inspector will meet with you and go through the plans. It is important that this plan is readily available and all employees are familiar with its location. A complete and correct hazardous materials business plan will help inspectors and businesses work together to prevent the accidental release of hazardous materials and prevent any serious harm as a result.
For information about common violations, see Part 5.